Good morning. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. Need the caffeine today. We've got a really big day planned, a couple of big sights we want to show you guys. Check the weather. Oh man, definitely a beautiful day in the neighborhood for an adventure. Like this sign is beckoning us to go on. Can't wait for this one.
Hey, good morning, guys. We are actually going on a beach in Indiana. Yes, a beach in Indiana, and we are looking for this place that people have told us about. I have no idea where it is, neither does Jim. So you know what? We're gonna get lost. We know we're gonna get lost, but we want you to come along with us and get lost together.
Yeah, we can find it together. First off, we gotta get ready. Definitely gotta shave. Before we get too involved, lately we've been starting our day with AG1, a nutritional supplement containing 75 vital vegetables and minerals several YouTubers we watch take on a regular basis that has replaced the over-the-counter vitamin we took for years that just didn't work for us anymore. AG1 is not sponsoring our channel. We were just so taken by its effectiveness that we had to tell you about it.
Just walked in the house. I don't know where Jim is, so I think he's outside in the backyard. But I just want to take a minute to show you all what I've been working on here. I'm really excited about this, so I'm going to take you outside. Hopefully, Jim is out there. Oh, there he is. Okay, it's not the tomato plants, but we did put our tomato plants, and they are on a table because we have horrible rabbits out here. We've got rabbits that basically come out and lay in the sun in our backyard. And I think they're laughing at me the whole time as they're nibbling on my vegetables. Hence the table.
Hey. Oh.
Hello.
Hey.
So what have you been doing since I've been gone?
Checking on the grass I planted over
Oh yeah, we got some great new grass coming up.
there. Enough about me. You.
Yes.
Show them what you got going on. Look at this.
So here's what I've got. This looks like a mess over here. But this is all butterfly plants. And these actually I bought. They're a butterfly plant, but they're not the milkweed that you buy for butterflies. But they do draw monarch butterflies. And for you all that don't know, monarch butterflies are almost non-existent right now. And so I'm gonna try and save them. I don't know.
She's looking at the rabbits and the ducks in the yard, but hon, we've got a mission. We've got Bigfoots to find.
We do.
Yeah. Or, well, one. Is it a Bigfoot or he's got 2 feet, so.
We are inviting you to come with us.
And we're here, the beach in Kentucky. It's actually a lake, it's Patoka Lake, but beach enough for us right now. Pretty beachy.
It's pretty nice.
It's interesting, it's a lake and it's got a beachy kind of thing going on, but there's concrete, like a walk underneath here, almost like a seawall. It's cooler than we thought it was going to be today.
You know,
getting a little chill.
It's like 70s and the sun is awesome, but the people that are in the water are getting out really quick.
They talked about it being like 80 degrees and all this humidity. It's going to be just really thick, folks. Well, right now I'm wearing a t-shirt. I wish I wore a sweatshirt. It's a lake, but the water's lapping just like it was the ocean. And then you've got this vegetation that's growing. I guess that's, no, it's not trees. I'm not sure what it is. And this is where the sidewalk ends. Interesting little place. We just came down to check it out today. Didn't really intend to like get in the water or anything, but we think we're gonna have to come back and check this out a little more carefully. It's obviously a man-made beach though. This stuff, not real sand. I think it's like pulverized rocks and shells and stuff. But you know what? It's a beach today. What I want to check out is that island out there. See that island?
Yeah.
There, that is cool. Just sitting all by itself.
You gonna swim?
How do you get out there? No, I'm not gonna swim out there. What are you talking about swimming out there?
Well, what we need is a boat.
We need a boat.
Now you can rent a boat.
We can rent a pontoon.
Or we can buy a boat.
Yeah, I don't want to buy a boat. Yeah, so.
But we'd have to win the lottery
Yeah.
to buy the boat.
Sounds like that country song.
Exactly.
Don't buy me a boat. Vanessa's gonna dip her toes, she says. Find out how cold it is. Okay, maybe dip a pinky.
Oh, it's like bath water.
So it's warm?
Oh, yeah, that is some nice water. No wonder these kids are still in.
You know what I was thinking? You know what would be great right now? A cup of coffee. No, a place we can get one where Bigfoot goes. What do you think?
I'm in.
Not only are we taking you where Bigfoot gets coffee, we're taking you to see something extra kind of special. Something statuesque. Stick around. Okay, this is it. Where Bigfoot gets his coffee, just in case you were wondering. And I can prove it. Bigfoot lives here. Has treasures too, we didn't know that, but he's got a coffee shop. Bigfoot has a coffee shop just outside of Patoka Lake. I'm excited to go inside and get a cup. See how big a cup it is. You gotta love this building. Look at this old door. This stuff is like 30s, 40s maybe? What do you think, babe? 30s, 40s?
I have no idea.
Look at this little swing. I don't think it's open. I don't think we're getting a cup of coffee today. But we could be getting one of these birdhouses. And Vanessa likes to swing. What, 50 bucks? We could do 50 bucks, couldn't we? If it were open. It's not open. Talk about vintage. Wow. This wheel. I'm in love. I'm coming back when it's open someday. This bench, you can tell it's very well made, only 50 bucks. It's like rough hewn wood, but I got a sander.
For those of you that are building, especially in like van life where they put the live edge, but look at these pretty pieces of wood that you could stain. Oh my gosh. I have all kinds of places for stuff like that.
And she has all kinds of projects I can do too. All I have to do is just, do them. So no coffee from Bigfoot. Who doesn't drink coffee at 7 o'clock at night?
Not Bigfoot.
Evidently. We're supposed to turn right at the big mailbox. Not sure how big the mailbox is, but I'm hoping it's like really big. Kind of like, roadside attraction big. We'll find out. Patoka Lake is evidently huge and big with boaters. Ah, the boats. Well, I'm not jealous. We'd like to rent one though. That'd be kind of a nice thing. Maybe a pontoon. What do you think?
That'll work.
This is getting crazy, guys. This place we're trying to take you to, this statuesque statue. Nobody seems to know where it's at, and the landmarks they told us to look for don't exist. So we're kind of like, we're not sure whether to keep looking or go have dinner. Guess you'll find out if you keep watching. And there he is. That's what we were looking for. It took like forever to find this guy. Turns out we got the wrong directions. I like this guy, he's fishing. And over here is his bobber. Now that's a bobber. Fishing for catfish, probably. Look close, you can see Bigfoot over here and his bobber over here. And his dog. Okay, maybe that's not his dog. No kidding, there was no one here. No one here until we drove up. And all of a sudden there's just this huge crowd of people that want to see the big Sasquatch, which is okay, but the timing is just weird. Wow. Now I know what the Beatles meant by long and winding road.
And yes, it was. The same road, winding and winding.
We took this road, 10, 12 miles of it, at least 3 times. We got the directions from a park ranger, and evidently the ranger didn't know that the cabins we were looking for had changed their name. We went by it 2 or 3 times and looking for the one the ranger told us that didn't exist, but finally we got the right name.
Yes.
And we got there.
We called my sister, who was the one that told us about the troll, and she found it and sent it to us and texted it and realized that the name was not the one we were told, and we found it immediately. Of course, the crowd found us there as well.
Which, yeah, that was really kind of fun. And the troll, which is really funny, they called it a Bigfoot. So I'm a little curious. All these people that are looking for Bigfoot all these years, we found 2 in one afternoon. What's the, I don't know. Hey, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. Would you consider subscribing to the channel?
And make sure you come back for the next video. We have no idea where we're going, but we're gonna have something.
It's always going to be like that. Don't forget, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp.
See you in the next video.
Sitting on the dock of the bay. Hey, what? Hey, I think I got a bite.